This 15-minute morning trick reverses insulin resistance. Stay tuned to uncover these mouth-watering recipes that not only taste incredible, but also have the power to reverse insulin resistance. Before we jump into today's content, smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe for more exciting updates. Starting your day with Greek yogurt and berries is a wise move, especially if you're managing type 2 diabetes. The protein in Greek yogurt plays a crucial role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, and opting for plain yogurt allows you to regulate your sugar intake more effectively. Both Greek yogurt and berries have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar. The fiber found in berries also contributes to slowing down the absorption of sugar in your body. Beyond blood sugar control, Greek yogurt and berries bring a wealth of goodness in the form of vitamins and antioxidants, supporting your overall health. The healthy fats present in Greek yogurt not only aid in creating a sense of fullness, but also provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Additionally, the calcium and vitamin D in Greek yogurt are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones, a crucial consideration for individuals with diabetes. Before making any significant changes to your diet, it's advisable to consult with healthcare professionals or dietitians to ensure that your breakfast aligns with your specific needs and health objectives. A smoothie centered around fats can be a favorable choice, even though it is generally recommended to prioritize eating food over drinking it. Many people appreciate smoothies for their taste and convenience. However, the issue lies in the inclusion of sugary fruits such as bananas and mangoes, along with sweeteners like dates, honey, or maple syrup. These components are rich in sugar and carbohydrates, offering minimal protein and fat content. However, positive adjustments can be made to create a healthier smoothie. Substituting high sugar fruits with those lower in sugar, such as berries, is a good start. Incorporating fat, such as unsweetened nut butter or half an avocado, may seem unusual, but adds a creamy consistency to the smoothie without altering the taste significantly. These alterations reduce the sugar content while increasing the healthy fats and proteins in the smoothie. This adjustment contributes to maintaining more stable blood sugar levels, making it a preferable choice for individuals concerned about insulin resistance. Lastly, opting for full fat coconut milk instead of oat milk provides a healthier alternative, introducing richness to the smoothie without the excess sugars. Eggs, bacon, and avocado make a great breakfast for addressing insulin resistance. Firstly, it's low in carbohydrates. Carbs require a significant amount of insulin for processing, and by keeping them on the lower side, particularly during the first meal of the day, the amount of insulin needed is reduced. Please express your support by clicking the like button, subscribing, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. This breakfast also provides a good amount of protein from the eggs and bacon, along with a decent amount of fat from all three foods. Protein is critical for building and maintaining muscle mass, connective tissues, and cells. It's also satisfying, keeping individuals full and aiding in consuming less throughout the day. For those with insulin resistance, it's important to pair protein with enough fat to prevent the body from converting excess protein into glucose for energy. Fat won't lead to weight gain. In fact, it can help improve insulin sensitivity and support natural weight loss as the body heals. So, there's no need to be concerned about including healthy fats in the breakfast. Stay tuned for an unexpected revelation that might just change your approach to the most important meal of the day. Oatmeal is a wise breakfast choice for those managing type 2 diabetes because it helps regulate blood sugar levels. Despite being rich in carbohydrates and relatively low in protein and fat, its low glycemic index and the presence of beta glucans, a special kind of fiber, contribute to its positive effects. However, owing to its substantial carbohydrate content, it may not be the ideal choice for insulin resistance. The good news is that with a few modifications, you can make it more insulin friendly. Pairing it with scrambled eggs on the side or incorporating nuts for added fat are helpful adjustments. Alternatively, introducing a protein powder enhances the overall protein content. These strategies are versatile and can be applied to various meals. So, while oatmeal may not be tailor made for insulin resistance, small tweaks can make it a more suitable option. Remember, customization in food choices allows for adaptation to specific health requirements. Skipping breakfast can actually be a good idea if one wants to improve insulin resistance. When people eat, insulin levels go up, and when they're not eating, they go down. Skipping breakfast or delaying it a bit can make a big difference in insulin resistance. This is because when not eating for a while, insulin levels are at their lowest, helping cells become more sensitive to insulin again. Insulin resistance happens when there's too much insulin in our bodies for a long time. The cells in the body get full with the energy from food, and when there's too much insulin, the cells start resisting it. So, the more insulin there is, the more resistant cells become. If one doesn't like skipping breakfast entirely, pushing it back by an hour or two can still help improve insulin sensitivity. If someone feels the need to eat right away in the morning and gets a headache or feels tired if they don't, it might be because electrolytes are low. Taking a supplement with water in the morning can help keep hydrated and prevent these symptoms. Choosing a blood sugar friendly breakfast is vital, especially for those managing type 2 diabetes or working on insulin resistance. Customizing breakfast based on health goals and consulting healthcare professionals ensures an effective approach for better blood sugar management and overall well being. Thank you for exploring these breakfast options tailored for better blood sugar management and insulin sensitivity. If you found this information helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the content and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on health and nutrition. Until next time, wishing you all the luck on your journey to diabetes recovery.